Good morning viewers, breaking news is back to meet you with the most up-to-date and interesting information with you, Fiskara Madani. Here is full story. Chaos and stall boom down in Chitangkil Fire extinguished in 1 hour. A fire engulfed some stall and 2 kiosks in Sportschool Spot environment Chitangkil Village, Cilegon City on Monday morning, April 21, 2025. Thanks to the quick response from the Cilegon City Fire and Rescue Service, the fire was extinguished about an hour without causing any casualties. The fire incident was known to have occurred around 7:50 in the morning and quickly engulfed Amiruddin Sam, stall and kiosk around. The first report was received by DPKP from a resident named Sri Agustina at 7:53 WIB. The initial suspicion that the cause of the fire was an electrical short circuit. 3 fire engines, 2 from Mako and 1 from the Chitangkil post were deployed to the location along with 20 firefighters. The joint team arrived at the location around 8 minutes after the report was received and managed to completely extinguish the fire at 9:00 WIB. During the extinguishing process, around 6,000 liters of water were used. Although there were no fatalities or injuries, material losses were estimated at 5 million. The initial suspicion is that the fire was triggered by an electrical short circuit. But most importantly, there were no fatalities in this incident, said the head of the Cilegon City DPKP, Ahmad Zubair. This quick response is thanks to the synergy of the team in the field and solid coordination between us. We deployed 20 officers and their flights to the